Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can disable live reward notification on TikTok. So let's get started. Firstly, open TikTok app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next tap on three lines icon. After that, tap on settings and privacy. Next tap on notifications. Then scroll until you find live notification settings. Next tap on it. After that, you can see the option of live reward notification. Turn off it by tapping on it. So this is how you can disable live reward notification on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.